How to set up and use hotspot on Samsung phone. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can set up hotspot and use it on your Samsung phone. Well, to do so, you can simply scroll down your notification bar and you shall find the mobile hotspot option here. If you do not find it here on your control bar, then you can head into settings. Once you head into settings, you can head into connections here and mobile hotspot and tethering, and you can enable it here. Now, however, you'll have to turn off data saver. If you have enabled data saver, then you want to head into data uses and data saver, and you want to toggle it off. So once it is off, you can head into mobile hotspot and tethering, and you can enable it. And you'll have to disable your Wi-Fi to enable this. Simply turn off. Then once you have done so, you can see it is enabled, right? Now, if you tap on it again here, you'll be able to see the network name. You can edit it from here. You can see the password. You can change it from here. And here you can go ahead and save it. And once you have done so, you can open up your other device and head into Wi-Fi, right? So let me show you here. And you can see the device has been shown here. Now all I gotta do is enter in password and select join. So this is how you can set up and use hotspot on Samsung device. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.